How to change order in Temu. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is just to access your Temu application or visit their official site, and then ensure that you're currently logged into your account. The first things first, you have to be reminded that you can only change your Temu order if it's still not yet approved on a certain mode of payment that you have set up. So say for example, you would like to change your order from Temu, however, the status of your current product that you ordered has been shipped out. Now you can no longer change it because your item is on its way to your current address. But if the seller haven't approved your mode of payment first, then you can still change your order. All you have to do is go to your current orders, like for this example, and then just simply click on your current orders and you can still customize it to a different product or even cancel it. And that's it. That's how you change orders on Temu.